MyBits Trust has started the honey clusters in Sindhudurg area with an objective to not only conserve the ecosystem agroforestry but to restore the agricultural land. And with the honeybee keeping training, we have conducted around 300 women of various self-help groups at a village level in association with KVIC, CBRTI as an initiative to conserve the biodiversity of the forest and to promote the agriculture in the Western Ghats. We are proud that farmers, beekeepers are contributing not only towards the Indian economy but towards a more sustainable environment and food safety. We pledge our support to protect the honeybees and promote the beekeeping. And we are really grateful to Government of India and KVIC to bring Sweet Kranti with rupees 500 crore aid for beekeeping and forest-based industry, which will aid to the biodiversity and agroforestry conservation in India. And with this support, we will be establishing the breeding, education and training center for protecting the indigenous honeybees of India. Our main objective is conserving the ecosystem and agroforestry as well as to restore the land, along with saving the Asian elephants from where this project started. Integrating the beekeeping and cashew plantations in the Western Ghats and near protected areas is one of the areas where we are working, catering to the growing demand of organic honey and increasing the agricultural yield through sustainable organic farming and sustainable livelihood program for the tribal women of this area. Our impact is not only based on the socio-economic status of the communities, but we have created the whole ecosystem. We have conserved the biodiversity of around 200 hectares of forest land in Western Ghats. We have educated more than 1500 individuals so far in beekeeping, education, as well as in the training program under outreach activities. We have improved the status of these communities by adopting the beekeeping by the rural women as an alternative source of income. We have generated the employment at village level via our packaging industry as well as by assisting them in beekeeping and training them and selling the honey and to the last mile. We are conserving the forest, we are protecting the crops and creating a huge environmental impact which is very necessary by promoting agroforestry and boosting the agricultural economy of India. We are promoting the biodiversity conservation. We are saving the indigenous species of bees which is Apis cerana indica through intensive beekeeping classes taken in the various villages in Sindhudurg area. We have trained the local communities and we have sensitized them for the conservation of not only the forest but for the honeybees as well. We have sold the beekeeping equipments to the local farmers and provided training for them to adopt the honeybee boxes and to integrate the honeybee farming along with the agricultural farming in the protected areas. In 2019, we have done the annual production of 3.5 tons of honey and 300 kg of bee wax, which is quite a lot of sales to cater the huge demand for the organic and raw honey. And we have done the turnover of 15 lakhs in 6 months and boosting the rural economy through generating employment and empowering the women and increasing the agriculture-based rural economy. With further support from the government, we will be extending the market through export of these organic, raw, unprocessed honey in the developed countries through honey clusters and in various districts and states of India.